Okay, so now we are going to learn how to write the lowercase t. So I'm going to do it here on my whiteboard, and I just want you to watch for right now. We are going to start at the top line. Remember, top dash base dot. Top dash base dot. So we're going to start at the top line. We're going to pull straight down to that baseline and stop. Lift our pencil. We're going to start just to the left of the line that we just made on the dash line. And we're going to slide on that dash line just a little bit across to the right and lift. Then we want to make sure we have a finger space when we write letters. Start at that top line. We're going to do it again. Make sure your pencil is like a birdie beak when we're writing. I know you don't have yours yet, but I'm making sure mine is a birdie beak. Start at the top, pull straight down to the baseline, lift. Oh, is that straight? That is not straight, Miss Lewis. So I'm going to start over. Okay, do my best. Start at the top, pull straight down to the baseline. That's much better. Then we're going to cross it on that dash line and stop. One more. This time I want you to skywrite it with me. So remember, skywriting, you have that straight arm. When you're skywriting, you have that straight arm so that your whole body is doing it. You can just sit in your chair and skywrite. We're going to start at the top, skywriting arm. If everyone doesn't have a skywriting arm, then we need to pause the video and make sure everyone has a skywriting arm. Alright, we're starting at the top, pull straight down to the base, stop and lift, and then go across. Miss Lewis, that is crooked again, so we're going to do better this time. I want you to skywrite with me. Start at the top, go down to the base, lift, and slide on that dash line, and lift. Good job, boys and girls. I want you to skywrite this one more time on your own. So I'm going to do it with you. Start at the top, go down to the base, lift, then we're going to cross on that dash line and lift again. Alright, that is our lowercase t. So now what we need to do is we're going to pause the video while you guys get out your books. And I need you to turn to page, oh, that was on the wrong page. Turn to page 43, 4-3, where it says week 6, day 3, and we have all these T's on top. So go ahead and pause the video while everyone gets to page 43 and gets their pencil out, and then we can press play as soon as everyone has all of that. Okay, now that everyone has their pencil and their book open to page 43, we are going to start writing the lowercase t. So first we trace 3. And we make 3, so make sure you're holding your pencil like a birdie beak. Pull down, go across on the dash line. Pull down, go across on that dash line. Pull straight down, cross on the dash line. Now we want to make some of our own, but boys and girls, when we make them, make sure we're leaving a finger space in between, because we want to be able to see our letters. Do 3, you could do 4 if you have time. When you're done, you can circle your best one and move on to the next line where you trace 3 and make 3 or more. When you are done, you can circle your best one. You can always circle more than one if they're all good. Okay, everyone is going to need a crayon. So please get out a crayon. Again, you can pause the video if you need to and get a crayon out. Mrs. Felice and I both love the color green. That is our favorite color. So I'm going to color with a green crayon. First, let's color this letter. What letter is this? T. T says t, t, t. T says t, t, t. You can color it in. T says t, t. T says t, t. Okay. Now we're going to color the pictures that begin with the sound t, t. So, here we have a tub, just like our card for tea. Tub. Does that start with a T? Yes, it does. Some of our pictures are pretty dark, so if you want, you can circle it or color and circle. This is a tiger. Does tiger start with T? Yes, it sure does start with a T. So we're going to color it tiger, tiger. Okay. This is a sun. Does sun start with T? No, sun does not start with T. Then we have a table. Does table start with T? Yes, table does start with T, so we're going to color it in. Next we have a zebra. Zebra. Does zebra start with T? No, it does not. This is a turtle. Does turtle start with T? Yes, it does. Now, don't let this last one trick you. Because earlier, when we learned the letter L, this picture was for lips, but now there's an arrow pointing to teeth. Teeth. Does teeth start with T? Yes, it does. So we're going to color those teeth in. I'm going to color the whole mouth too. Teeth starts with T. T, T. I'm going to circle it because that one's a little darker too. Okay. When you are done, you can press pause if everyone or some people need more time. When you're done, you can turn your book to page 44, the next page. Alright, we just turned our books to page 44. We have our pencils ready, and it looks like we're going to make D's and A's to begin with. D, dog, D, and A, apple, A. D, you start just below the dash line. You curve up and around like a roller coaster. Go all the way up to the top. Touch that top and pull straight down to the base. That is a windy roller coaster. Alright, we start just below our dash line. Go up and around the loop-de-loop all the way up to the top and come straight back down to the baseline. Remember, we do not want our D's to look like this. Oh, no, no, no. We want our D's to be hugging on the way down. Hug the D on the way down. So start underneath the dash line. Curve around. Touch the dash line. Go down. Touch the baseline. Go all the way up to the top line. Come back down. Oof, that one was a little away. Do you see that space? Miss Lewis, you need to do better. So let's try again. Curve around, down, up, and down again. Much better. This one, I think, is my best one. Now we're going to make it A, which just has that little antenna. It doesn't have the tall one, just the little one. So we start just like a D, right below the dash line. Make sure you have your birdie beak. Go up, around to the dash, and down. Up, around to the dash, and down. Now 3 on our own. Around, up, down, around, up, down, around. A says ah, and D says D. A says ah, D says D. Alright, our next section, point to the letter and say the sound. Circle the letter T. So, here we have what letter? L. L says O. This is the letter T. T says T. So we're going to circle it. D. D says D. A. A says A. What letter is this? C. C says K. What letter is this? T. T says T. And we're circling T's. What letter is this? A. A says A. What letter is this one? D. D says D. What's this one? T. T says T. We can circle it. What letter is this? L. L says L. This one? C. C says K. And our last one, T. T says T. And we can circle it. Okay, this last one you can use your pencil for. Move my camera a little bit. Match the picture to the beginning sound. So here we have a D, D, deer. Where am I going to put that deer? Where am I going to put a line to the deer? It starts with what letter? D, D. D. Oh, excuse me. All right. This is a clock. Clock. Clock starts with what sound? K, k, k. And what letter makes that sound? Clock. K, C. This is a toy. Toy. T, toy. What letter is that? T at the beginning. And this is a log. O, log. What letter is at the beginning? O, L. Alright, boys and girls, we are done with Groves for the day, so you can put your books away, unless the teacher wants to check them first. You can put your books away, and then you're going to move on to the next thing. It was great doing Groves with you today, and I will see you later on. Bye!